God, I don't know how I'm gonna cook here because water is about to reach the fireplace, so it will turn off the fire. Oh my God, I really need help. I need to build a new house. I need to build a new kitchen because guys, see, I'm cooking here and water is here, and the water is from, you see, it's from the rain outside. So you see how it's flowing down here, from there to down here, then almost at the fireplace. Oh my God. I really need to build a new house. Oh my God, where will I get the support? We need to have a new kitchen. We need to have new houses. Oh my God. If you're not keen, when the rain persists, we're gonna drown here. Oh my. Guys, already water has entered. Oh my God. Oh man. It's making the fire to go off. Oh my God. See, my fire is turning off because of rainwater. Oh man. I want to cook some fish here. Oh God, I can't continue cooking because you see, it's turning off the fire. I don't know what I gonna do here. Let me try and find a solution, guys. Try and remove this excess water from here. Maybe it will end, so that they do not put off the fire, because still I'm cooking. You can see, guys, and the water is going to the kitchen there. I have no any other solution apart from removing this water this way, because it's turning off my fire. And still I'm cooking over there. You see, it's really a struggle. If there is anybody who can support me to achieve my dream, please kindly reach me out. My number is there on my description, because oh my God, I really need help as early as possible, because I can't stand all this. We really need to do something as tough. Maybe build another kitchen, or maybe renovate the house. Oh my God. You see, my fire has been turned off. Guys, I think it's boiling somehow, slowly, and I'll have to eat it when it's this way, because the fire is turned off and there's nothing I can do, because water has come in the kitchen. Yeah, so there is no any other alternative I'm gonna use, because no gas. Yeah, and the good thing that the fish was already fried, so I just wanted to have some soup, but now it is impossible, because now you can see my fire is turned off by water here. At least I've reduced some. Let me try and put on the fire again if it's gonna lit up. Amount of water that I've fetched down here. Oh my God. Let me try and put on the fire. Yeah guys, it's about to be cooked, so yeah. Oh my God. Despite it all guys, still I managed to bring out the delicious meal ever. This is cassava ugali, and my fish. Yeah, so enjoying in the area where I am, because no otherwise, because oh guys, but honestly things really need to be changed. But meanwhile, let me enjoy my food. Yo guys, I'm so worried. It is really raining so heavily in the village, and this makes me so worried. Can you see this dam? Is it a dam? Yeah, it is caused here because of water. With no minute, maybe our house will be flooding with a lot of water. Oh my god. Let me show you here. Whoa, 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 whoa. See this water? With no minute, maybe if it will rain again at night, we're gonna sleep on water. Guy, my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is a dam. And this place is not far from home. You can see home is there and the waters are here. With no minute, we'll be flooding all over here. And what makes me worry more is because like every house, there are holes penetrating water inside the house. Oh my god, this water is so much. Is it so much? So many? It has caused a lake here. Oh my god. And home is there. With no minute, maybe it will be there flooding. Oh my god. See, even my shoes are sinking inside water. Yo guys, pray for us because it's becoming more intense in the village. Let me show you how water have penetrated all the houses in the home. Yeah. Blackie. Shh. It's ready to so arrogant, this car. Somebody ate and left plates here. What are you eating, young man? Guys, let's start with here. I want you to see how water has really entered all the houses. Let's put this here because we don't use this water. See, this is a room somebody's sleeping. Water all over. We really need your prayers because if it continues this way, we really drown and start swimming inside the compound. See this? Guys, I really need your support. I want to build a house. If you can, please support me by whichever means. I'm not happy. How's there? Yo. You see? Let me show you how walls are penetrating water. Imagine this is a wall, but already water has penetrated down here. So many. When it rains again, water gonna flood inside the compound, and we'll be swimming inside water. Oh my god. And this wall already starting to break down again because it is rained on. You see? Clay and water, there are two things, they go together. So when it continues to rain, it will again fall down as the house is falling down too. Yeah, let me show you the compound outside. Guys, I'm talking this as a joke, but honestly I'm so serious. You see how this water is forming, penetrating inside the house jokingly, and maybe we can't lose our life if we are not keen, but now we really need an urgent solution about this because it's becoming intense, and honestly we can't do it. You see how it is raining over here? See this, a lot of rain, and when it slapped down here, makes holes, you see, and water penetrates inside there. Oh my god, guys, honestly, I really need your support. Just a cry to whoever who feels sympathy, empathy towards us by supporting us build a new house. Please consider doing so. Please reach out to me, because without you guys I can't do it alone. See guys, it has been raining, yo, and things aren't cool. This is how we've covered the beans. Yeah, if you haven't seen the beans, please go watch my previous video. This is the situation, guys. Oh my god, you see. Oh my. Let me show you. I can't be ashamed of my home because I'm keeping memories. This is what you will come to see when I make it in life. This is what you really want. You will come back to see where I came from, because I really believe that I gonna change this. Guys, this window, it was broken by somebody. He was fighting. Yeah, so they ended up breaking the window. I can't name them, but it is a result. But up to now nothing has been done, so we just cover them with the boxes here. This is the situation home, guys. So I'm just asking, I'm pleading, I'm asking guys, if there is somebody who is there, who is touched, who can support me start this project of building a home, of building a house to my mom, for my parents, for my siblings, I really ask you to do so kindly. You see, everything's are worn out. You see this hole, it is a hole here. So this is where we live, this is where I call home. Yeah, and with no time, everything gonna change, guys. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. Yeah, this is a big project. It has been done, yes. We thank God for this. It is a toilet. Yo, why are you making noise? Why are you making noise, young mom? Look at people here and tell them why you are making noise. Why are you making noise? Why? Tell us. You want them to help us build a home? Yes, he said yes. Please do so. Yeah. So guys, this is one of the projects where we really got people who supported my brother, and he built new toilets for us. Because let me show what we initially was using. This was initial toilet. This is what we were doing, using a toilet. They are very old. Yeah, this is what you're using. You can see the iron sheet. That's the situation. Yeah, but we really thank God, because we are moving away from this. Yeah, away from this. We are moving away from this. You see how the iron sheet are old? Yeah, you can't come here when it's raining, because you'll be rained out. So we're having a big project going on. It's about to be completed. And to those who supporting us, thank you so much. This is the toilet. Good work are going on. Now let me show you. You see guys, and it seems like when it's raining, it seems like there is water moving, if you can see. Yeah, so this is the situation, guys. So we really need your prayers, we really need your support. I know you can make a move. Even your $10, $20 could help, because bro, this is the situation. Honestly, I'm so heartbroken, and I'm so heartbroken because I can't help. So I'm crying out to you, my subscribers. Yeah, you see the situation. This place we are removing these clothes to dry, but now they can't dry because there is no sun. It's raining, raining, raining. See my mom here. My mom is so worried because, like, as I've said, honestly, if it continues to rain again, we're gonna drown in water. Yeah, maybe you can talk to my mom. Let's hear her opinions. Mom. Poa, sasa unaonaje hapa? I'm asking, how does she look at this place? Like, honestly, to me, I'm just worried.
Ikinyesha usiku, maji yatakuwa
What?
hapa.
You speak English to the people now. I'm recording.
Oh, I'm saying, if it will rain again all tonight, the same as this one, water will be somewhere here. Yeah, as you see, we are worried.
Yeah, the neighbors here are worried. You see here? So that's the situation, guys. You can see here. Yeah, even neighbors are worried. So don't know what to do next. That is it. You see, going there.